What is up, guys? My name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In today's video, I'm gonna drive my girlfriend's 2016 Renault Clio IV Limited on the German Autobahn, trying to reach its max speed. I hit a bit of a pothole there. Hope my girlfriend doesn't find out. A like and share is always appreciated. As stated in my previous video, this special Renault Clio has a 1.2 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine that puts out 120 horsepower and 205 Newton meters of torque. Please subscribe if you like, it helps me out a lot. Thank you. Now, without further ado, let's get on that Autobahn. I gotta say, the sound of this engine comes out better on camera than it does in real life. Make sure to stick around till the second half of this video, as that's when this car reaches its true max speed. A little faster, you can do it, you can reach the 190. Yes, there you go, now up to 200, I guess. Now let's turn around on this Autobahn. I will now try some manual shifting. The shifting is actually really snappy. And you also gotta love the sound this shifter makes when upshifting. You can't really hear it on the camera, but it's there and it also feels very nice. gotta say, I was kinda surprised that this car was not that fast. The Opel Adam I recently drove, that was faster on the Autobahn. That's especially odd because this has a turbo with more horsepower, and this also doesn't weigh more. There's a nice open stretch ahead. Let's see what this thing can do. See it getting a little slower here because it's actually a little uphill. And that is the maximum. 197 kilometers per hour is the fastest I could make this thing go. The official records say that it should be able to do 199, but I couldn't make it reach this. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.